Good morning. Today is the 20th of April, and can you see behind me here? And it's the early morning 5:30, and I need to work today. After being locked down for 3.5 weeks, this is the first time that I need to work, and it's also break my record. I never work so early. Start 6 o'clock. I need to go now. It's early morning now. It's about 5:40, and it's no car on the road here. You can see my windscreen is very foggy because outside is cold. I think outside is about 15 or 16 degrees this morning, and now we still in Auckland here. We are autumn. Even now it's only 5 something. There's still a lot of car on this motorway. I think this car is all same like me, having worked as an essential worker and for the morning shift. I used to work at retail, and just because we still on the this one the level 4 that we can't open the store, so I have to go to the warehouse to help for the online order, to pick up and arrange for the delivery for the online order. See the sign just like essential travel only. Even we are driving on this lockdown period, for essential worker, we need to have a letter from the companies saying that we are working, then we can drive from one zone to another zone. I finished my work today, now on the way home. You remember last 3 weeks ago we put this marigold flower seed, and now they're growing. And have a look with this one about the mushroom. See how big. I'm not sure whether this can be eaten, but of course I won't eat this one. And see the size. This is my hand, and almost half size of my hand. It's almost my palm size. You see the marigold that we plant, and how beautiful this marigold. And also this is the red color one, the flower. And also have this one, the hydrangea, in my garden. I love this color, so beautiful.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.